Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my SQL. So today let's look at how we can use the AND operator together with the where clause. So the AND operator is used to retrieve records that matches all of the specified conditions. It allows you to combine multiple conditions, and only if all conditions are true, the row will be included in the result set. So the AND operator is used to retrieve record that matches all of the specified conditions. So the only results that will be shown are the results that shows both conditions or all of the conditions. So let's look at the syntax and how we can use the AND operator together with the where clause. So I'm going to open the table. So I'm going to first run this so for me to know how I want to use this. And okay, this is the student profile table. So I want to check those from Oyo State, that is where states. Okay, let's say Anambra State, where state equal to Anambra. And status, let's say status. Single. So I can use it to combine multiple conditions. Let's say another condition. Let's add another condition and project score underscore score. Let me break this down. So I have to project score less than 40. The status equal to. So these are the multiple conditions I can combine. You can combine more than 2 or 3 conditions. So the first condition here is states, where those that are from Anambra State, also those that are single, and those that have 40, less than 40 in their project score. So these are 3 conditions that I'm combining, and any result I'm going to see here must meet these 3 conditions. If there are 2 conditions, if there are 3 conditions or 4 conditions, the result that will be shown will meet all of the conditions you put in here. So that is how the AND operator works. So let's say if there is any person that meets these 3 conditions. So when I run my query, one person. So this person, Okonkwo Bonaventure, is from Anambra State. The state is Anambra, and we can see that the status is single. And we can also see that he has less than 40 on the project score. So this is how we can use the AND operator. We can use it to combine multiple conditions, and the result that will be shown will meet all of these conditions. So guys, thank you. See you in the next episode.